Why do 90% of kids struggle with money? Let's change that. Join Money Smart Basics as we tackle 10 essential money lessons to teach the kids. Let's make learning about finances fun and easy for everyone. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Look in the description below for wealth building tools and income opportunities. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Smart Basics. I'm Alfonso, and today, we're diving into something truly essential, teaching kids about money. Financial literacy is a crucial skill that can set your children up for a lifetime of success. It's about empowering them to make smart choices, achieve their dreams, and build a secure future. In this video, we'll explore 10 essential financial literacy lessons that every parent should teach their kids. Let's empower the next generation to become financially savvy individuals. Listen, starting early is key when it comes to financial education. Think about it. Kids are like sponges, always absorbing information. The earlier you introduce basic financial concepts, the better they'll understand them as they grow. Now, you don't need to hit them with complex investment strategies right away. Keep it simple. Even toddlers can grasp the idea of saving. Start by giving them a piggy bank and explaining how putting coins inside helps their money grow. As they get older, you can introduce more advanced concepts like budgeting, needs versus wants, and even the stock market. Make financial conversations a regular part of your family routine, whether it's at the dinner table or during car rides. Think of it like teaching them to ride a bike. At first, they need training wheels and your guidance, but with practice and time, they'll be off on their own, confidently navigating the world of finance. Starting early allows your children to internalize these lessons, turning them into lifelong habits. So don't wait. Start planting those seeds of financial success today. Saving money is like building a financial fortress, brick by brick. It teaches kids patience, discipline, and the importance of planning for the future. Start by helping them set a savings goal, whether it's a new toy, a bike, or even a college fund. Having a target in mind makes saving more tangible and exciting. Encourage them to track their progress. A visual representation like a savings chart can be incredibly motivating. They'll see their savings grow over time, which is incredibly rewarding. Explain that sometimes it's necessary to wait and save for something special instead of getting it right away. This teaches them the value of planning and making thoughtful decisions. Plus, it's a great opportunity to talk about financial responsibility. Budgeting might not sound like the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's crucial. It's about teaching kids to manage their money responsibly, track their spending, and make informed financial decisions. Think of a budget like a roadmap for their money. It helps them understand where their money is going and how to allocate it wisely. Start by introducing the concept of income and expenses. Explain that income is the money they receive, whether it's an allowance, birthday money, or earnings from odd jobs. Expenses are the things they spend money on, like toys, snacks, or entertainment. Help them track their income and expenses for a month. This can be as simple as writing it down in a notebook or using a budgeting app designed for kids. Once they have a clear picture of their cash flow, guide them in creating a simple budget. Help them allocate money towards their savings goals, spending money, and even a little something for giving back. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting their freedom. It's about empowering them to make smart choices and take control of their financial journey. Earning money isn't just about getting paid. It's about teaching kids the value of hard work, responsibility, and the satisfaction that comes from earning their own way. Now, chores are a great place to start. Assign age-appropriate tasks and tie them to an allowance. This helps them understand that money is earned through effort and contribution. Encourage their entrepreneurial spirit. Brainstorm ideas for small businesses they could start, like a lemonade stand, a dog walking service, or even selling handmade crafts. This not only teaches them about earning potential, but also instills valuable life skills like problem-solving, creativity, and customer service. Remember, the goal is to foster a strong work ethic and an understanding that success comes from effort and determination. Understanding the difference between needs and wants is fundamental to making smart spending choices. It's about teaching kids to prioritize and make informed decisions about how they use their money. Explain that needs are essential items we need to survive, like food, water, shelter, and clothing. Wants, on the other hand, are things we desire but don't necessarily need, like toys, video games, or the latest gadgets. Help them categorize common items as needs or wants. This simple exercise can be incredibly eye-opening even for adults. Once they understand the difference, you can start discussing the importance of prioritizing needs over wants. If they really want something, encourage them to save for it or consider alternative options. The goal is to instill a sense of mindful spending and help them understand the trade-offs involved in their choices. Banking might seem intimidating, but it's a crucial aspect of financial literacy. Introducing kids to basic banking concepts early on sets the stage for responsible money management in adulthood. Start with the foundation savings accounts. We touched upon this earlier, but it's worth emphasizing. Take them to the bank, open an account in their name, and explain how it works. Talk about deposits, withdrawals, and the magic of interest. Show them how their money can grow over time just by being in a savings account. Once they're comfortable with savings, introduce the concept of checking accounts. Explain how checking accounts are used for everyday transactions like paying bills or making purchases. Discuss debit cards, online banking, and the importance of keeping track of their balance. The more comfortable they are with these concepts, the more confident they'll be in managing their finances later on. Investing. Now, this might sound like something for Wall Street gurus, but trust me, even kids can grasp the basic concepts. The key is to explain it in a way that resonates with their world. Think of investing like planting a financial garden. You sow seeds, money, into something you believe will grow over time, which are investments, and with patience and a little bit of luck, you reap the rewards or returns. Start with simple examples like stocks. Explain that when you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of a company. If the company does well, the value of your stock goes up and you make money. Of course, investing involves risk, so it's crucial to emphasize that investments can go up or down in value. Consider opening a custodial brokerage account for your child and investing a small amount of money together. This allows them to experience the ups and downs of the market firsthand and learn about different investment options. It's about planting those seeds of financial success and watching them flourish over time. Financial literacy isn't just about accumulating wealth, it's also about teaching kids the importance of giving back to their community and making a positive impact on the world. Encourage them to choose a cause they're passionate about, whether it's animal welfare, environmental conservation, or supporting those in need. Talk about different ways they can contribute, such as volunteering their time, donating money, or even starting their own fundraising initiatives. Even small acts of generosity can make a big difference. Encourage them to donate a portion of their allowance or earnings to a charity of their choice. Volunteering together as a family is another fantastic way to instill the value of giving back. It's about instilling a spirit of generosity and social responsibility in the next generation. We live in a world bombarded with advertising, tempting us to spend our hard-earned money on the latest and greatest products. Teaching kids about smart spending means equipping them with the skills to navigate this consumer-driven landscape. Talk about the power of advertising and how it influences our purchasing decisions. Explain that companies spend billions of dollars trying to convince us to buy their products, even if we don't necessarily need them. Encourage critical thinking skills. Help them differentiate between genuine needs and impulsive desires fueled by marketing tactics. Teach them to ask themselves, do I really need this, or is there a more affordable alternative? Smart spending is about making informed decisions and avoiding impulsive purchases they might regret later. Credit and debt. These are two topics that often carry negative connotations, but understanding how they work is crucial for navigating the financial world responsibly. Start by explaining the concept of credit. Explain that credit is essentially borrowing money that you promise to repay later, usually with interest. Talk about different forms of credit, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Emphasize the importance of using credit responsibly. Explain that while credit cards can be convenient, carrying a balance and accruing high interest charges can lead to a dangerous cycle of debt. The goal is to empower them with the knowledge to use credit wisely and avoid common pitfalls. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Builders for more tips on financial literacy for all ages. Remember, teaching your kids about money today can help them build a secure future tomorrow. By equipping them with these essential financial literacy lessons, you're empowering them to make smart choices, achieve their dreams, and live financially secure and fulfilling lives. Together, let's raise a generation that's financially savvy, responsible, and empowered to make a positive impact on the world. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. I bet you didn't know. Half of kids believe money is limitless. Teach your kids the value of $1 by involving them in budgeting groceries. It's fun and educational. Start today and watch their money skills grow. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.